Hey, let them know where you from, baby.
Girl from Georgia, baby. Out here with the ball.
Memphis, man, Mississippi, man.
M-Town.
You know what's
You already
going
know.
on.
You already know.
you know.
Yeah. You already know. You already know.
Go.
Hey, you know what? It's a Pontiac. It's a Pontiac. Much love,
I'm
baby.
here for Envy. I was just on the phone with him trying to call you.
You already know, nigga. Much love, baby.
I'm about to go by the.
It's a nigga it's black.
Okay.
The Firebird hood. The Firebird.
Okay.
It's
Trans Am.
the Trans Am truck.
Okay.
I seen him. If he takes 70K for that bitch, I'll buy that bitch right now. Envy!
Hold on. Let me take it
Envy! Y'all see my brother Envy? Envy, but I see you sent some heat. You sent some heat. I'm finna rap for you. You sent some heat, nigga. And much love, too. I appreciate it, my nigga. And get ready. I'm coming to your car show. I'm going to send 20 on them. I'm sending 20. And hold me to it. Make sure somebody filming this. Hold me to it. We ain't bullshit. I'm coming to Envy shit. Much love, baby.
to it.
Say, let me get a picture.
What's happening, love? Where y'all from?
I'm with Tom Cat. He over in Dubai. I'm his partner.
You already know. That's family there. And one time for Tomcat. You already know what it is.
I'm going to show him this picture.
Rap star in the building. What's good? Much love, baby.
The First Lady Juice, bro. Yeah.
Much love, baby. Hell yeah. Much love. Come on, get it.
What's up, bro? I do YouTube. I'm a YouTube. I pulled out here in that demon. You know what a demon is?
Of course I know what a demon is, young nigga. What kind of question is that?
Rose,
What kind of question is that? That young nigga, hold on, young nigga. That nigga asked Rose, that nigga said, do I know what a demon is? Do y'all believe that shit? Can you believe it? How old you is, young nigga? Young nigga, 22.
A demon, a track, a scat, and a C8.
That's good. You got you a scat pack. What else you got now?
That's it. I want to get a layup.
No, I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you. Real nigga shit. Nigga, save some money. Make sure you save some money. Make sure you save some paper. You know what I'm saying?
Hey.
Love, baby. What's up, little man?
There you go.
How old you is, little man? You a boss, little man. I love your watch. I love your chain. You a young king. You know that. You gonna work hard when you get big, ain't it? Because you gonna be able to drive any car you want. You know that? Come on. I want a picture with him. Come on. Damn, I don't know how to do the picture, y'all. I apologize. I ain't never did it. Come on, throw that number one up. You want to be number one?
That's right.
You throwing the number ones up. Don't never let nobody take your chain. You hear me? Make sure you represent the way when you around the people. Because this grown man ain't got that. You hear me? You a boss. I'm going to see you later.
You mind if I get a picture with my bike in front of your house?
Nah, leave it right there. What's up, baby? These niggas out here, man. These niggas out here. That 59 on the gold ones, did you see it?
Yeah. It's got a fast motor, too.
Ooh, that top five. Them top five niggas.
You go. You know we here, nigga. Top five, nigga. Top five, shit.
Them niggas is individual. Hey, look. Where the homie Coco at?
Down here.
He out here?
Down here, nigga. Pull up, nigga.
I'm finna go around there.
Nigga, June 25th.
section, man.
Homestead, nigga. First day top
And
five.
guess what? I'm gonna send 20 cars to that motherfucker too.
And you better beat up.
And nigga Rose gonna be there.
You better beat us.
Nigga, I'ma come shine.
better beat us.
And I'ma come shine on you, nigga. I'm coming to shine on you, nigga. Cause you my dog. And put all the Cuban links
Man,
on.
say that shit,
We
man.
pulling all the Cubans out.
Come on, man. Everything, nigga. You know what's up, man. Palm Beach in the high, nigga. You know what's up. Come on, slide back down here, man. Bring the crew back down here, man.
Come on.
Let's go.
I'm finna see the nigga.
I'm getting the car with you, nigga. Hey, stop.
Come on. Yeah. Come get that pic. Hey, did you see the all gold on the 59?
Yeah, and they got a fast motor, too.
Come on, get in the action. Hey, bro, let's go, bro. Let's go. Turn back around, bro.
Oh, this nigga riding with me. It's gas?
Best weed in the world. Smell it. Best weed in the world.
Open it for me.
you. Best shit in the world.
What that is in there? You put candy in there?
You know I'm making happen. Look at this shit. What's the motherfucker you, man?
Nigga, be quiet, nigga.
Miami.
Nigga, hush, nigga.
I know.
Nigga, this the motherfucking boss, nigga. Y'all top 5, nigga. You on my team, nigga. Hold on, let me tell this nigga. Hold on. Top 5 on my team, nigga.
know it, nigga.
Top 5 on my team.
Come on, man.
Nigga, you on the back of that nigga and you gon' motherfucking hush cause you riding with Rose, nigga. Y'all top 5. Hold on, let's go see the motor fight. Before I go see, oh yeah, hold on. Let me let them see this. They gotta see this. God damn, what the fuck is this? What the fuck is this?
What's up, man?
How you doing, man?
Much love. This yours?
That's my cousin. He on extra on the phone with me.
God damn.
What do you
What
think you
this
was
shit,
afraid?
man?
Look, they said where you at, man.
Hey, that's beautiful, my nigga. Look at this shit,
Oh, no,
man.
we ain't got a code. We got to get a key. I want Rose, come with us and we'll give you the key.
What's
We're
up,
riding
baby?
around in the golf cart.
Let them know where you from.
I'm from Poland, Warsaw. We decided last time we're going to fly here, and we got here. So we rented the Maserati and we're here.
Bullshit.
Fly.
Bullshit.
Yes.
Bullshit.
From Warsaw to Amsterdam, Atlanta.
Warsaw and Amsterdam. I got my homies top 5 on here too. Hey, I'm finna come see it.
Yeah, come and see us out, yeah?
Come on. What other motorcycles
Right
at?
there, turning through that lane.
What's up, baby? Oh shit.
That's Curly.
What's up, baby? Y'all already see what it is. Hey, that's a beautiful 57.
Yeah, beautiful.
South Carolina, what it do, baby?
Here we go.
Ooh. 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 What's up, baby? Ooh. Let them know where you from.
Gary, Indiana.
How could they get in touch with you? www.curlysinc.com. Get y'all bikes up, baby. Get y'all bikes up. Let's go. I'm finna go look for my top 5 niggas. I'm going to look for my top 5 niggas. Nigga, because I'm going to tell you, my niggas, hey, my top 5 niggas, this for everybody listening. This for everybody listening. Top 5 Florida niggas, top 5 Rose family. Top 5 Rose family. You hear this nigga? And guess what? I'm finna tell this nigga right now. Guess what?
What's up?
Nigga, I buy all y'all shit right now. I buy all y'all shit right now.
Right now.
Nigga, I go in there. I go in there and count a million right. Where we going? Where we
Going right now, right now.
Where we going?
Hold on.
Right now. Oh, this. Oh.
yeah.
Oh.
yeah.
Oh.
yeah.
Oh.
yeah. We ain't playing, nigga.
Hold on.
We ain't
Hold
playing.
on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Here go top 5. 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 Here go top 5.
There you go. Come on, nigga.
Oh.
Top 5
I
shit,
ain't gonna
nigga.
lie. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie. I rode through here, nigga. Look at this. I'm gonna be honest, nigga.
Hardwood flow.
Them wood flows, you niggas ain't never seen that. I'm gonna keep it real. Top 5. Top 5 apparel.
Yo, we here. Top 5 shit, we here.
Nah, it's real. It's real. I'm gonna tell you. I'm gonna give it to my niggas. This is my first time seeing it live like this. It's real now. It's real. It's real. It's real. It's real. One time for my nigga head over there. It's real. It's real. And it's exciting, you heard me? I love it, nigga. I see it, nigga. I see what it is.
Hey, Ro, appreciate Said she putting on the event, cuz.
Oh, my nigga, much
Said
love.
she putting on the event,
Let
my
him know
brother.
where you from, baby.
ATL, bro. Decatur in the house.
ATL.
Hey, Rob.
Look at him.
Say
Look at this nigga.
something to my daughter. She been.
Much love, much love. Your daddy love you. Your daddy been talking about you out here, so know how important you are to your daddy and the rest of the world. You a queen, and that's how you gotta move, you hear me? The world is yours. You got somebody that's on your team right here.
Rose,
What's up?
what they do, man?
Much love, baby.
You gotta get
Look.
the president shit. That novice
Look at
shit.
this.
Come on, man. Let's go, man.
Come on, that's what I mean.
Whatever you want.
This nigga right here.
Whatever you want.
This nigga right here. Come on, hey, nigga, you gotta stay with me all day today. I want you with me all day.
trash shit.
I
We
need
got
that.
trash
Yeah,
shit
yeah,
right
yeah,
now.
yeah.
We got
Come
one
on.
nigga. We got
Let
one
me
nigga
show y'all.
novice shit.
Come on.
President, nigga.
Hold on. Let them know about novice shit. Let them.
Man, listen,
Now I'm gonna tell y'all this.
Now I'm on the way right now, nigga.
This nigga shit.
Yo.
This shit. I'm gonna
Yo.
keep it real now.
Nasty.
When them niggas say top 5 now,
Top 5
the niggas gonna make you respect it. Look at that. That's on the inside now. I'm
See
telling
that?
you. Yeah.
See that? See that? Huh?
Look at this nigga. Talk to him. Talk to these niggas. Talk to these niggas.
That shit lemon pepper, nigga.
Nigga, talk to these niggas. Hold on. They ain't seen the Cuban link. They ain't seen the bracelet.
You know, we do this shit for real.
Y'all niggas better be here.
Drive
Cause
shit right here. Stop
guess
playing
what?
with it, man.
It's real niggas from everywhere, and it's real money. It's real money. You
playing
won't
with it,
walk
man.
by a nigga with a white t-shirt on, nigga got motherfucking money in the wall so motherfucking hot. Look at this.
Don't play with us. Do that. Don't do that. We here.
Top 5 in the building, nigga.
We here. We, man, come on, man. Higher. Higher.
I already told this nigga. I'm gonna tell you something.
Yo.
This what I'm gonna put on you. How many other cars right here top 5? This
all
what you
of
gonna do. This
All
what you
of
gonna do.
All of
You gonna put together a number. But you
got
can't tell nobody.
I ain't tell nobody. That's on me.
Don't tell nobody.
That's on me.
That's between us.
On God.
That's between us.
On God.
Because if we don't do it right now, that don't mean we don't do it next week.
Right.
And I'm just telling you because I know how.
Yeah.
This between us.
Listen.
This top 5. What's up, baby? This top
Nigga,
5.
you know who he talking about.
You know what we talking about?
You looking for the fine.
This what I'm talking about. You know what we talking about?
We here.
The power. Where my shirt at? Where my 2
I got it in the car.
I need my.
Come on, man.
Look at this.
Come on, look at the shirt, man. You gotta get that money, man. Come on, man.
Oh. Tell y'all niggas now.
You got a band thing on them things.
Tell y'all now.
You hear me? That's that real gold.
Them niggas got the stickers on there for you.
Yeah.
See the
That's that
stickers?
real gold. See, all my buttons.
You say you want to put the middle.
Yeah.
You want to see
You got to look up
under
underneath.
You feel me?
And you see that?
Check it, Rose.
Y'all see that? Y'all see that?
Detail.
Check me out right here.
Then, right?
Yeah. Check out the nameplate.
The back gonna hurt my squat. I'm getting over all day. Man, right?
Look at that motherfucker now. Oh no. Top 5, Rose
Hold on.
salute. That's Rose approved.
Let me put you on beat.
Let me tell you something. I'm gonna tell you something.
Let me put you on beat, right?
You niggas that have to respect it. If a nigga said right now, nothing less than $250 for all these cars. If a nigga said that, but Rose ain't gonna pay that.
So let me tell you.
My dog right here.
So let me tell you.
It's me and my nigga. We gonna have our own conversation.
Yeah. Look at my
you
nigga
gonna
right
have
here.
that own conversation. We can't tell nobody our
right.
business.
Yeah.
Look at me,
It's our
275, nigga. We sold his shit for 275, nigga. So now less than 275 out here.
Hold up, tell them niggas again.
Nigga, my nigga sold his shit for 275, nigga. Man, less than 275 out here, man. I hold it down, nigga. Pump no Palm Beach and Dave, nigga. You hear me?
Oh, it went for 275.
Yeah, nigga.
And guess what? After the day, guess what it's going to?
350. Yeah. 350. 350, nigga.
Hey, my nigga.
We do this shit for real, man. Where Nava, man? Tell her to pull up, man.
Tell Nava to come on out here.
Tell Trav pull up.
Come on, tell him come on out here, Rose. Well, come on now, this.
Call Coke, my nigga.
Come on. Where Coke at? That's why. Come on now.
They coming through the
Where's
gate.
that?
That's the fat dude you say with
That's the fat nigga with the dreads. The fat nigga with the dreads.
Coke Daddy Dollar right there, man.
Nigga.
Hey, hold on, here you go right here. There go Nolly right there. Ralph wants to holler at you. What might get 350?
I got you, nigga. What I told you, nigga. No, let's
Where you at, baby? Come on, baby. Come holler at me. Come on, holler at me, man. We out here. It's a lot of love out here. Come on now. Come get these hugs now. Come on. Come on now. Come on.
man.
Top 5. This shit real.
Yeah.
This shit real, boy.
No, we ain't
I love this shit. I love this shit. These niggas got stickers on the rim, stickers on the tires, nigga. I'm talking about the motherfucking hinges. Every motherfucking hinge.